This morning I am doing a short hike in a little town called Kaapse, translated to English as Cape Hope, and there's a little waterfall there in the distance called Battery Creek Waterfall, and on my way there we just passed the Kaapse cemetery. I'll have a look at the cemetery when I return. So it's a bit of a steep walk or descent, and then I'm guessing when we're coming up it'll be a bit of a climb. We'll do a little bit of a video at the falls when we are closer. Kaapse is about 3.5 hour drive from Johannesburg in the easterly direction towards the Kruger National Park. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.